In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a few quick and easy tricks to remove backgrounds in Photoshop. And trust me, these methods can save you a lot of time. Alright, so in our first example, we have a badminton image, and we want to remove both the background and the net behind it. Let me show you a super quick trick. Go to the eraser tool, and under it, select the magic eraser tool. Now, make sure contiguous is unchecked. Then, simply click on the background, and boom, the background disappears instantly. Now here's something important. If you have contiguous checked, Photoshop will only remove the area outside the object and not the parts inside. You can now fill it with any color or easily replace it with another background. So remember, keep contiguous unchecked if you want to remove the entire background at once. Alright, let's move on to our next example. In this image, if we use the same magic eraser trick, it doesn't work perfectly. So let's try a more advanced method. Go to the Channels panel. You'll see red, green, and blue channels. Now select the channel that has the highest contrast or brightest details. In this case, the red channel looks best. Select it and duplicate that channel. Now press Ctrl+L to open levels and adjust the sliders to increase contrast between the subject and background. Next, Ctrl+click on the channel thumbnail. You'll see a selection appear. Now go back to the Layers panel, hold Alt, and click on the Add Mask button, and there you go. The background is cleanly masked out. You can again replace it with any background or solid color you like. Now, let's move to a more complex example. In this image, we have trees with lots of tiny branches, and we want to remove the sky behind them. Since there are so many small details, the best way to do this is by using the channel mask method. Go to the Channels panel again and look for the channel with the highest contrast. In this image, the blue channel works best. Duplicate that channel and use levels to make the sky white and the rest darker. For these areas that need fine-tuning, take a black brush and carefully paint over them to refine the mask. Now carefully paint over the entire area and make sure you don't leave any spot unpainted. We want this mask to be clean and complete for the best result. Now press Ctrl+click on the channel to load the selection. Then go back to the Layers panel, hold Alt and click the mask icon. Perfect. The sky is now masked out. Now just drag and drop a new sky image behind it, and there you go, a beautiful sky replacement done in minutes. And we're done. So, as you can see, background removal depends on the type of image you're working with. For simple images, the Magic Eraser tool works great. For more complex photos, channel-based masking gives you a clean and professional result. Keep experimenting with these techniques, and soon you'll know exactly which method to use for each type of image.